Yes, welcome back. After clicking on close and load, this is what I'm having. So this dialog box is going to come with several options: table, pivot chart, only create connections, and other options like that. Firstly, pick on add this data to the data model, then click on pivot chart because I want to create a pivot chart directly. Then new worksheet, I want it on a new worksheet so that I can build my dashboard there. So if I click on OK now, you can see it's giving me a new worksheet, and I have my um, pivot chart. So this is what I'll be using directly. I'm not going to be using the pivot table. So, but I'll be looking through the dashboard for us to see what we have there and what we need to create. The first thing is to create the total score. Mind you, this total score, total price, and average P score are going to be looking a little bit different from what we have here, but we are still going to have the numbers, and that is fine. So firstly is that I need the total score. So I need the total. Is it total score? Yeah, the total score. So I'm checking here, and that is the. Is it total score? Yeah. Okay. I think that is the total number of people that maybe total number of customers or so. So if I click on this, it's going to give me this, and this is what I need. So first I'll come here, field button. I'm going to remove that. I'll remove this legend. Is not needed. Um, then I'll also remove these grid lines. They're also not needed. I don't need the axis, the y and the x axis. I need the data label, which is fine. Then I don't need okay, I need this total. So it is actually total customer, not total score, total customer, which is fine here. So what else do I need to do? Okay, so other thing that I need to do, I need a comma separation here. um Wait, are we doing the right thing? Let's check. Total score through this pivot table. Okay, is count. Oh, okay. So it should be count. I was wondering that why do you have that number? It should be count. Then let's call it total score. Let's call it total score. Good. Aha. So we have 150. This is what I want. Okay. So 150 is here, which is fine. So I'm going to just reduce the guy down a little bit and shrink it. Then I'll click on the bar. I'll click on Control 1. My Control 1, I'll reduce this to, let's say, 80. Good. Then I'm going to also reduce this. Okay. So this guy in here, Control A, then reduce. Essentially, let me just remove this title. I will do it manually later. Then I'll click on this, then reduce it. What I want to pop up is this number. I want it to show in real time. I'll click on the data value, then I'm going to increase this. Good, you can see it is going vertically. I can click on this, then I'm going to extend it horizontally this way. Then after that, I will still increase it the more because I want it to pop up. So I'm going to place this guy here. I can still increase this bar that we have here, reduce it. Sorry, I can reduce the bar because it's the number that I actually want to pop out. And also one other thing that I can also do is I can come to format, make it no fill, then the outline no fill. So you can see that the number is popping out, and that is what I actually need. I don't need the bars that is there. Then so that is that. Then I can Control C, Control V, um, Control C, then Control V. Good. So I have the second item here. So what I need to do is I want to pick the total price. Total price. So I'll come back to my pivot table. my yes, my pivot chart, the field list. So I need the total price, so I'm picking price here. Good. So the same thing we apply. This bar that we have here, I'm going to come to format, shape fill. Okay, let me increase this so that we can easily see what I'm doing. Shape fill is going to be white, outline is going to be white, so that it doesn't pop out. So I need this number. I'll click on it again, then I'm going to open it up. Yes, so I'm going to do something now. I want this to show in dollars, and I don't want decimal places. I want comma separator. So from here I can do control 1. When I click on control 1, format data label pop out. Please take note, control 1 is very, very important whenever you are using Microsoft Excel to do a lot of formatting. Even in other Microsoft applications, Word, PowerPoint, and all, control 1 is very, very important. Excuse me. So when I have this, then I'll come to number. I'll click on currency. Yes, currency. Then I'm going to come here. I'm going to pick dollar. Where is the dollar? Okay, US dollars. Then decimal places. I don't want any decimal place. Good. You can say this is what I want, and it's popping out 1031. Okay, good. That is correct. I'm going to be having this as well. So one other thing that, okay, we'll do the formatting later, so we'll do all those later. Then I need the last thing here is average p-score. Okay, good. So I'm going to control C, then here control V. So I'm going to have this here. So from here I'll click on pivot chart analyze again, then field list. So I need the average of the proper popularity score. So when I have this, I'm going to click on this, then value field setting, then I need the average. So it is the average that I need, then just click on OK. So from here as well, I can click on number format because I want it in 1 decimal places. Then I'll click on number, 1 decimal place, comma separator activates, even though the number may not be up to that. Then click on OK. Yes, so this is what I have. This guy here, I'll click on it, come to format, then shape outline. I don't want shape fill. I want it to be white. That means no outline and no fill. So essentially, because I've done it before, that is why it's giving me that option. Shape fill is no fill, shape outline is no outline. So everything looks white, which is fantastic for me. So I have these 3 items just like the way I have it here, which is cool. So the next thing I need to do is to look at the total food by country. So I can also click on this, Control C, then Control V. I can also essentially click on this, hold your control, hold it, then drag this. So that also copy any items or any asset for you, when you're using the Microsoft product. So hold your control and drag gives you duplicates. You'll be able to duplicate. Let me give us an example. From table 3, if I hold my control and I drag this, it's going to duplicate that particular sheet for me. I'm going to delete this now. Delete. Okay, good. So we are here. So what we want to create now is we are creating the total food by country. Okay, total food by country. So I need my origin, which is the country. Then I'm going to uncheck this. I want to create the total food, so I can pick any of these. So I can just pick these and drag it here so that it's going to count for me. So that is fine. So what we have here, so I'm going to come back to my design, change chart type. I'm going to pick a bar chart, and that is fine. Okay, yes, don't freak out because this is like this. You can just draw it down a little bit, then click on the chart itself. Okay, good. And I'm going to drag it up. Good. Then I'll click on this to have the chart title firstly, then the axis. I don't actually need the horizontal axis, so I'm going to uncheck it. Good. So I need the name of the countries. So I'm going to open this up a little bit so that the names can pop out. Then drag it down. Okay. So this is fine. I'll also drag this. Yes. For the names to pop out. I want it to pop out. Okay. Then I can also drag it this way. Okay, good. So the name is out. But from what I have here, we can see that mine is arranged from the highest to the lowest. That's why we have in Japan and Germany. So to do that, what I'm going to be doing is I'll come back to my um, the field, the pivot chart field. I'll click on this. I know. Click on this. Okay. Um, so I want to arrange it from the. So I can essentially click on either of the two. Origin, click on this, then click on more sort options, more sort options. So descending, then I'll click on count of this. Good. So you can see we have it. So it has arranged it for me from the lowest to the highest. Then from here, then I'm going to click on Control 1, categories in reverse order. Yes, and I'm having something similar to what I have here, which is fine. I'm going to be expanding this a little bit. Okay, let's have it. Let's expand it more. Okay, good. So the title is Total Food by Country. Total Food. I'm going to name it Total Food by Country. Good. Okay, country. It has to be in proper. Yes. So I've been able to get this. Every other thing, formatting, which we are still going to do as we move on. So I'm going to be ending this video now because I don't want it to be too long. So in other videos we're going to continue. Thank you.